Hey, Will here from PPC Coach. So, what exactly is the group coaching program? What does it look like? Well, you're looking at it right now on your screen. So, as soon as you sign up, you get access to this. You'll be able to log in. It takes place on my forums. And basically, the first place you're going to go is right here, general discussion. You're going to go to welcome to the forums, read me first. And this sticky thread contains all the information you need, like hello and welcome, where's the training, what's the current challenge. As of shooting this, we're in March 2022. I'm on challenge number 31 in the forum. So, man, been doing this a long time. Anyway, some FAQs, how do we train you, everything else you need to know. So go through that as soon as you get into the program. You'll see it all. And then step 2 is go to the introduction section, read me first, and you'll see that there's a welcome in here. And then I put my intro. And then what I ask you to do is start a new thread and just kind of introduce yourself to everybody else in the forum as well in the group coaching program. Now, where is the training, Will? Well, it's right here. I'll go to the previous one. So this is the 30 and 30 method that I taught in February, challenge number 30. So all the training is in what's called a sticky thread at the top of each one. So I click it and you'll see all the replays are in here. So these are over an hour long each session. And then we run an implementation week as well inside of each challenge that we do on the forums. So there's your group coaching challenges, the current ones, there's the completed ones, and then the scheduled one will always show here. So the next one up for us, if I look at the date, it's March 1st, 2022. The next one coming up is going to be Mother's Day and TikTok ads. That's what I'm going to be kind of teaching people how to profit from that. So there's a quick overview to show you kind of what you're going to get when you join. There's a lot of threads, there's a lot of members, there's a lot of people in here. It is a great group of people, and our whole goal is to get you profitable with print on demand. So each challenge that I do is basically tied to a holiday event, and then we'll sell a gift on that holiday. I'll show you exactly how from A to Z, all completely over the shoulder. You learn it all, and then you implement it in your own accounts. And if you have any questions, you just go to the forums and you get support. So I think it's the best way to train because it is live. All my trainings are live. It means that you get the most up-to-date possible methods and techniques out there. So, you know, when you buy a course, I mean, courses are great. I've got a lot of them. But sometimes when you buy a course, as soon as it's put out, there could be a change in a dashboard on an ad platform, or a print-on-demand company could change their platform so it looks different from the video, and then you're like, how do I do this? Google is notorious for that. So is Facebook. When they're running their ad dashboards, they switch it up all the time. So I think they do it to make course creators have a fit, because we shoot something and then pretty much 3-6 months down the road, it's useless. So that's why the forums and the group coaching program are the complete opposite. You get everything in real time. So you watch me on every dashboard in real time with like the most up-to-date possible training. So I would love to have you in here. If you're not a member yet, join now, and we'll see you soon. This is what you get when you join, and you can register for all the 3 live training sessions. Hit that join now button. We'll see you inside. Have a great day.